What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome, guys. Welcome. How are we all today? How are we all? Let's get this light into a better position. Perhaps I'll take it off. How are we doing, guys? How are we doing? That should be better. Just gonna let the dog out. 1 second. The wait is over. Alright, so I'm back. How are we all doing? I will get this set up whilst everyone is waiting to come in. Let's start a simulation. Go for 2024. This is most recent. What should we go for? Pretty sure we've done February, March, April, May. We've done something in June. Let's go for July. Let's go for the 24th. It's last week. Let's do 100k. Spread history on the charts. Maximum there. Standard chart, 15 minutes. I think we're all good to go. Should be all good to go. How we doing? Satha, good. Hello. Mira, hello. Mohammed Arslan, good to see you, man. Ashan, good to see you. Chawla, good to see you, man. Mohammed Arslan, 2% loss today. Don't worry, man. I had 2% loss today as well. Exactly the same. Don't worry. You know what? Today was frustrating. Took a loss on my live stream. And then there was a setup we were waiting for it for 4 hours to break the previous 4-hour high. Then it came and we got the closure above, ready to take the trade, and it just went boom. It went. Missed out on a nice 60-70 pip move. Then a bit later on I got another entry on the buys, and that lost as well. So yeah, 2 trades and 2 losses today for me as well, on a day where I could have had a big win. So best thing to do though after you've had 2 losses is just call it a day. I've had winning days over and over again for a long time. So 5 lots. So it was about time that we had a lost day, but it's alright. So it's how you handle it. Beetho, good to see you, man. Oh, you're talking about my loss? Dear. Yeah, 2 losses today. Sessions, let's get that up. We'll go to the 5 o'clock. On the Monday. Alright, so I think we're all set, guys. Trade panel, that's it. Put the sessions up there. Trade panel there. I think we're all set. Is that looking good? Yes. Just gonna go over the daily. Sorry about that. Ooh. Just ignore that. Previous daily, nothing candle. Coming over to the previous daily, just like nothing. Couldn't break the previous high or low. Very low volume, so not expecting much there. 4 hour, we have created a nice new support here. Nice for our support. 4-hour resistance. Over here, so we're just gonna match leave that matches up nicely, half an hour, 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is not very clean. We've got until we get to this resistance really, then we've got 6 minutes. I feel like we're on the wrong year, guys. 2023. Last time I did 2023, it was not very nice. But we can just go ahead with it, I guess. Go ahead with 2023. I was gonna say, like, that's a 6 pip range. That doesn't seem quite right. 2024. Anyway, to the downside, we've got the wick fill. To the upside, that's only 6 pip range. That's really bad. I'm gonna have to make this a bit smaller. Then we've got 16 pip. This is really not good for volume, guys. I'm tempted to just should we restart? But on 2024, this is really bad volume. 20 pip for a huge wick fill. And look at that previous daily. Not the cleanest I've ever seen. We can give it a go regardless. Tempted to start again, but here we go. Waiting for a closure at this point. Wait for a closure outside the range. This is some wacky small volume. Boy, pip range is crazy. The low volume this has got. Okay, so coming up, we've got a slight closure above there, guys, but we've moved from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, so not taking that trade yet. I'm going to look for a small bearish candle to print at this point. Potential fake out, we'll see. Still closing above, but no trade there. I want to see like a small bearish candle, MC play above that level. So I'm gonna stay patient. What tool am I? This is the MT5 simulator. How did you know when your strategy starts failing? You'll start taking losses. Where's my mouse gone then? No. This is not a good time. My mouse is running out of battery, you guys. Okay, anyway. We have got a closure back in the range. Not really liking the bottom wick on it though, so I'm just going to leave that for now. Staying patient for now. Perhaps going a little bit too fast. Not quite a closure above again. See if we can get the next candle to close above. Not quite. Wouldn't mind seeing an MT play at this point. Been one of those days for me, guys. I'm just 4 hours looking nice and bullish now, though. That's really nice. So if we get a closure above now, I'd like to see a small bearish candle, followed by a re-break for the impulse. But when you move from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, it's too risky to take the buy. Zoom in a little bit, shall I? Oh, really nice reverse MC play there. We took the highs and then closed back in the range. Don't particularly like the no bottom wick. Would be against the trend, bullish trend. No, I'm not going to be taking sales. I like how we took the highs and then closed back in the range. This is not a bad trade back in. 8 pips, not that much, but see what we get. So now we've created a new support, which is really nice. Now, if we can break that previous high, anticipate the MC play to the upside. I wouldn't mind that. It'll be a re-break of the hourly highs, re-break of the 4-hour highs. Come into a high volume session. So let's just slow it down a little bit. I don't mind the buys here, guys. Anticipating that we've broken the previous lows now. And anticipate that we're going to break the previous highs and continue up on bullish. We'll check the weekly. We can't really see it, but yeah, weekly's coming up to break the previous weekly high as well, so don't mind that at all. So I'm going to give that a little go. Stock's going to borrow previous candle. 10 USD. Something's not right there. Oh, that's the TP. Good though. Final TP. Gonna come up, just shove it up there. And we play. Oh, I'm gonna have this floating profit loss thing up as well. Profit loss and pips. 2 pips up and let's go. See how the candle closes. Not too bad. No reason to close out. Let's check the half an hour as well. I don't like that hourly closure, if I'm very, very honest. I don't like the hourly closure. We're running at 9 pips. It's not great. The idea was for the previous half an hour to break the previous wick high, which we didn't do. So what I'm going to do is just go stops at break even at the moment. We're running about 10 pips up anyway. I'm just going to go break even because I wouldn't want this trade to break its own low now anyway. And secure partials around, you know, about, we've got about 10 pips, 12 pips there. That's nice, getting a nice wick fill. So I'm going to secure some partials there. As we've got the wick fill to the left already, coming up to that previous resistance. I didn't quite like the previous hourly closure. That's why I'm being a bit cautious as we come to break that previous wick. We'll let the runners run though. Close partials. Close 90%. Stops at break even. We'll let the rest run. Yep, we are scalping. It's very low volume. I actually was meant to put 2024, but I put 2023 by accident. So there we go. 17 pips. 9 pips, 10 pips, 9 pips. Secured most of positions here, so very happy with that. $15 pips. We break that previous wick high now, looking good still. We haven't really got much of a bottom wick on this current half an hour. We may come and collect that. We can break this previous 15-minute high now. We'll be good to continue up for the rest of the range. If not, we get tapped out at break even. We've already secured most of our position, which is tasty. That's $500 in the bag. No top wick on that closure as well. I'm just going to close full here. 15 pips. Take that for the Monday. And we'll move on to the next day. So we would have got about 20. Then nice closure. Move on to the next day now. So a nice one trade in the bag, which is lovely and tasty. Remember, we are doing a giveaway, guys. Free 5k account giveaways. I'll be mentioning it at the end of the stream, the winners. Oh, shizer. Went past the meant to stop at 5. Anyway, reanalysis. Have we missed much? Yeah, we missed this candle here. It's not a bad trade. Anyway, from new support, 1960.40. I'm going to put my new resistance here to the left-hand side. We've got a massive wick field to the upside. How long is that? 30 pips. Yeah, really nice. We get a closure outside this range. We've got clean candles to the downside, coming down for about 49 pip range. To the upside, we've got the 30 pip wick fill, and then we've got the 45 pip range on the 15-minute. Checked out half an hour. Previous half an hour closure. I don't particularly like, very weak body, but we'll see on the 15-minute what we get. Hourly is still open. 4 hour pushing bullish at the moment. Broken the previous wick high, but just slightly rejecting. Daily is currently pushing very bullish as well. So yeah, we'll wait for our closure. Bum, bum, bum. Ooh, I thought it was going to come up and break that previous high then, but not quite. Trading from 2023 volumes, crazy. Can we break the low now? Let's have a look. How long we got left in the candle? Oh, it is what I like about this, guys, is we've broken a previous high on London. Oh, it's not quite London Open, it's a bit after. 1 hour after. Time is different. We can now break the previous low. I like that. In the first minute, we break the previous high. It's just going to slow it down. So we can break the previous low now. Other time frames look good. Same with the half an hour. We've broken the previous high. Continue on bearish. Be pretty nice. Don't like the previous hourly rejection wick, but we can get the wick fill. 4 hour closed bearish, so we may just get that wick fill initially. Let's slow it down, see if we do break that previous wick low, which it looks like we're going to do. Yeah, I'm going to take these sales, guys. It's like a reverse MC play. So we've taken the previous highs at support now. I'm going to see if we can continue on bearish with clean candles to the left hand side. Don't mind it. What time frame am I using? 15-minute up here. You can see 15-minute here, 30. I do go over all the time frames, but 15-minute I like to execute on. This session has low volume. Well, we're in the London session, which typically has high volume, but if you're referring to... Have we broken a previous wick yet? Not quite. Do you usually put into consideration the 4 hour key levels for potential reversals? I do look at the 4 hour, yes, but I will execute on the lower time frames. I'll always look at 4 hour. Daily's not really got much of a bottom wick, so it would be nice to come see that collected. Let's see if we can. We're going to take this sell, anticipating that we're going to break this previous wick. Let's see how we go. Stopped above current candle, 20 pips. I'm just going to target these lows. Whoa, let's go. That's 6 pips. Thought it was more than that. Okay, now we're running at 10, 11 pips. Let's go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We're just about to get the candle to close as well. So go and stop to break even. Close some partials. 90%. Let this run. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. We've got the majority of the wick fill, which is nice. And then we're going to let the rest run for these clean candles to the downside. Simple as that. Break even on the runners there, and that's absolutely fine. And that's why we go break even, secure partials there, guys. So yeah, really, really nice trade there. So 2 out of 2, Monday and the Tuesday, lovely. That's why we secure partials and go stop to break even. Would have expected the continuation there, but wasn't to be, and that's fine. I've got a fake out going on here, but I'm happy with that trade. Let's see if it would have played out anyway. But yeah, really nice. Woo! Yeah, nice. 2 trades, 2 wins. I just want to see how this plays out. Ooh, breaking the previous high very late on the candle there. Wouldn't like that at all. Would have just adjusted my zone at that point. But yeah, I'm going to move on to the next day now, guys. Fake out would have worked for 10 pips, so not bad. And that's it. Nice reverse MC play there, lovely. Cool, cool, cool. Good to see that 2023. I don't remember that far back, so it's just no way. But yeah, let's move on to the next day. Let's see if there's any nice setups that we could have taken. Wouldn't have taken that sell. Not really any other setups I would have taken for the day, I don't think, looking at it. So we got the best setup of the day, really. One that made the most sense. Moving on to the Wednesday, so I'll stop it at the right point this time. Here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Right, let's do some reanalysis. You know what I think would be great if we did a interactive trade, like you guys chose the trade. I would love to do that one day, or maybe even we could do it today. Ryan, why don't you change levels? What levels? Do you mean on the previous? Oh, okay, did it? Yeah, one thing at a time. Previous daily then. Finished very strong, nice bullish. Weekly, it's annoying that you can't see that because that's in the way. Weekly still pushing bullish, which is nice to see. Daily, previous daily finished bullish. Couldn't quite break the previous wick, but we did break the previous low. I like this 4-hour setup. I've got 4-hour resistance here, but previous 4-hour candle swept all the previous lows, left a big rejection wick. We can flip bullish now on the 4-hour and continue on up and break the previous 4-hour high. We've got nice clean candles to the left, so I do like that. Hourly is not that clean, looking very scrappy, and we can get a closure below on the hourly, nice and clean. This is scrappy, so we might have to wait for a closure above this resistance. Then we've got 20 pip clean candles to the left. Again, there's not as much volume. How much range have we got here? 13 pips. Wow, that is not enough on the half an hour there. So yeah, so guys, when you're looking to create your new zone, right, we've got our most recent resistance at this level here, yeah. And then we have got, you know, cleanish candles coming up to previous resistance. However, 15 pips is not enough clean range. It's a bit choppy anyway. So what we're going to have to do is adjust most recent resistance up to this level here. 20 pips is more sound. 15 pips, I want to see at least a 20 pip range, and that was choppy anyway. So yeah, 20 pips, get closure above. And the downside's nice and clean anyway. So yeah. Ryan, do you control with their rules and RR? With whose rules? Poker. Hey Ryan, guide us through as someone uses support and resistance as strategy. That's exactly what I'm doing now, my friend. How do you determine position sizing for each trade? Well, I'm just using 5 lots. This is a 100k account. I'm using 5 lots per trade. Just for the sake of the simulation. You can do it as percentage-wise. I could do 2% per trade, but I'm happy doing 5 lots at the moment because I know 10 pips on a 5 lot is $500. Therefore, 20 pip stop loss is 1% for me. If I need a 40 pip stop loss, I could probably up the lot size here because there's not as much volume. So I probably could have done a 10 lot rather than 5. But in 2024 and 2025, we're getting a lot more volume now. So 5 lots is sufficient, and just don't risk more than 2%. How does strategy perform during major news events? Don't trade news. News is gambling. How often do you adjust your strategy based on market changes, or do you only do scalping? Scalping mainly, yes. You know, if there's more clean range, clean candles, I will still go stops at break even, score partials, just let the run. On this is 2023, right? I've just noted. I was meant to do 2024, but 2023. And there's not as much volume in each candle. So letting them I don't even know why I'm going with this anymore. Okay, yeah, I was saying. Do I adjust strategy as I go along? Yeah, like today, I've already added like a couple of things. I've added a couple of things into my strategy and plan, as in the last year. Let's just play this whilst we wait. In the last year, I have added a couple of things. But no, I haven't changed my strategy at all. Still the same thing. It's just a few extra confirmations to add to my strategy, really. Do you stick to one trade in your funded account? So I've got 3 funded accounts. I don't trade them all at the same time. It's always nice having backups. But I will take one trade on one account, and then I'll go over to another account. I won't take more than 2 trades on one account per day. So if I take 2 losses on one account like I did today, on not my funding frontier 100k, so that's nice and intact, but on a different account, I can't say the name for obvious reasons, it's a different company. But yeah, I took 2 losses on that one today. So I was like 4% up or something, but just under 1% now. Get a nice breakout here. See how we close. Okay, so what we've done here, guys. Am I going to be looking to? Well, we run out of clean candles as well. Am I going to be looking to take buys? We have finished above that previous resistance as well. Can I drag this line? We have closed above there as well. Am I going to be taking buys? No. We've just moved over 50 pips. We've moved from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, and we've closed with no top wick. So I'm not interested in taking buys yet. I'm going to see how the next candle prints, and if it goes, it goes. Ryan did not trade on news because it's gambling. Yeah, news is just gambling, guys. That's all it is. You're just hoping to get a quick spike, you know? That's all it is. See how that trade just went? But you've got to be okay with it. Still got to wait for a setup. No top wick means no trade. Not risking that. We moved too far bullish, so I'm just going to wait for a new range at this point, I believe. Wait for new resistance to form. Wait for new support to form. New resistance. If this goes with no top wick again, I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Bang, look at that. Would have lost already. Broke the previous high, had no bottom wick, came down. Stops would have gone below current candle, maybe previous, but would have taken the L there if you entered that trade. There's a re-entry there. 10 minutes left. Not interested in taking it really. I want to see a new range form. Look at that instant rejection. I only got 5 pips as well. Always best to be safe than sorry. Saved herself a loss. Whoa. Now we've taken out the previous lows. Formed the resistance. We have formed this support. It's very, very minor support. Very minor support. However, we've got a very, very mini range, right? Oh, my mouse. It keeps dying. It's running out of battery, guys. Has anyone got a battery for me? Keep turning it off and on. Yes, we've formed this new range. Got clean candles to the left. I'm just going to check the clean candles. We have got clean candles to the upside as well. 20 pips and then 30 with volume. Should keep pushing on. Now we've formed this new range, right? We've taken out the previous low. If we can now break the previous high, that'll be the break MC play on the 15-minute. If we taken out the previous weak bearish candle on the bull run there, break the previous hourly, re-break of the current 4-hour high. Whoa, that's a nut. See how that played out, guys? What we said earlier. Do you remember earlier when I said about the 4-hour? How we broke the previous lows, took liquidity. I wanted to see if we could flip bullish, then break the previous high. So 4-hour analysis is spot on. We just couldn't get a nice entry on the 15-minute there. That's fine. Might be looking to give this a go. How long have we got for the wick fill? 7 pips. Rebreak at this current high. Anticipating we're going to continue up on bullish. Just with very, very small stops. It's 9 pip stop loss. So it's a very, very small trade. But I like the rebreak of the current highs. And just check out. I can't look at the 5-minute. I haven't put it in. How do you align your strategy with the market condition? Wait for a break and close below before you take the sell set. Yep. I do consider news whilst back testing, yes. I know news is around the 130 mark. Let me answer some of these questions. God bless me with a baby girl yesterday. Congratulations. Do you change levels on a daily basis? Yes. What's the biggest time frame I look at? Weekly, then daily, then hourly, then half an hour, then 15-minute. Ryan, how is teaching your strategy helped with your consistency and discipline? Massively, man. Yeah, teaching what I know has helped massively. What is your entry time frame? Up here, look, it says 15-minute. How does your drawdown compare to your overall returns? What is the expected payoff per trade? Binary bot. Drawdown is different for every trade. Every single trade is different. I won't risk more than 2%. But I won't. Drawdown can differ on every trade based on market structure. I'm not trading off RR. I'm not trading off some key levels. I'm doing it based off every single market structure, every candle. Just checking out all the comments here, guys. Let's go sales. I don't know how old that was, that comment. Ryan, can you say that funded prop help you disciplined trader? Yeah, 100%. Because you have the rules within the funded industry, right? Oh, I'm gonna take that buy, wasn't I? Can't see the 5-minute, but I'm gonna take this buy at the break of the current high. Just whacked that up there. Very, very small trade. Literally 10 pips. anticipating that this half an hour breaks the previous wick high. If we don't, then trade's invalid. That's why I've got stops below current candle. Oh, I need to put this back up here so you can see. There we go, trade idea. Failed. Nearly came in. Nearly came in. There we go, took our first loss there. The wick field, the break of the previous wick high was the trade idea on the 30-minute, and we came so close. So yeah, really unlucky on that one. There's a loss there. Nice trade idea. I really liked it. Got most of the wick field. Was expecting that to continue up bullish, but not quite. Let's get a candle. So we've got a candle closure below now. Let's see. Still haven't broken out. I'm not going to be taking these sells. I'd rather wait for a cleaner support at this point. If it just continues up on bearish, then that's fine. I don't like we've left a pretty hefty wick there. Yeah, I'm not going to be taking any sales. We're so bullish at the moment. I'm just going to wait for a new support at this point. We'll wait for a new support to form. Trading with psychology is gambling. Whoa. We're going to get a reverse MC play? Not quite. But we have formed a new support, which is really nice. So closure outside this range would be perfect. Trading with psychology is gambling. You need to have psychology. You mean without? Well, I've got so many comments to catch up on. 2 losses. No, there's only been 1 loss. We've had 2 wins and 1 loss. I just trade with fixed lot sizes. I won't risk more than 2% per trade though. Nice push. 30-minute MC play happening right now. Would be breaking the previous hourly high as well. Seven minutes left. I like how we've continued up on bullish here. We've taken the previous low. So I'm going to just give one more try with the buys at the break of the previous week high, which is now. I like it. Just adapting to market conditions there. So yeah, so we've taken out the previous high lows, coming up to continue up to take the previous highs. This is a half an hour, based off the half an hour. Let's play. Created a nice new support now, so we'll expect price to continue up on bullish. Just gonna see how the 15-minute close there. Still bullish. 4-hour candle start. Gonna trust my analysis here off the half an hour. Should continue up on bullish. I like it a lot. Lovely push. So run at about 10 pips now, guys. I'm going to go stops a break even there anyway. I'm just going to check out. We should continue up on bullish for a little bit longer. 9 pips. Just wait till we get to 10. There we go. Lovely. Stops to break even. Close some partials. Close 90%. Perfect. And we let the runners run. I mean, we can trail our stops, to be honest, above below the previous 15-minute candles, but that's nice. That's 3 wins in the bag, 1 loss. Yeah, let's go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We have got to stop to break even, yeah. Just might as well skip it, I guess. Yeah, just consolidating now, guys. So, yeah, out of break even on the runners, and that's absolutely fine. We'll go on to the next day. Yeah, really nice. 3 wins and 1 loss so far. Not massive. They're not massive gains because the volume is so low in 2023. Which I'm a bit annoyed we didn't do 2024. But that's my mistake. I just missed a whole year out. All right, let's do some reanalysis. Thank you. Nice trade. Nice trade. Yeah, giveaway will be at the end of the stream. Yeah, we've got about 19 minutes left. Amazing trade. Thank you. Thank you. Smith, did you struggle psychology? Had to find Taglet. What's a good choice for scalping? Commission free or with commission? Depends on the spreads. Daily push and bullish. We have broken the previous daily high already. Got some of this wick fill in the rejection area to the left, as you can see. We have broken the previous high already and started to reject. So let's come down to the 4 hour. Really nice previous 4 hour. Tap into previous resistance. We have left a big wick. I would like to see if the 4 hour flips bullish to continue up on bullish. If not, we have just created a new support. Lovely wick fills if we get that candle closure below on the 4 hour. Most recent resistance on the 15-minute, but we do need to check if we've got clean candles to the left hand side. Do we? Nope, we do not. We have to adjust that to the next zone. Then we've got 38 pip range, so yeah, perfect. So if you don't have clean candles to the left, you can't use that as support. Other than that, guys, I'm going to wait for new support to form. At this point, we've got 20 pip range there, but we need a new support. So just going to play that for now. See if we get a bullish closure. Form a new support. If not, we're just going to have to stick to this most recent support here. 30 pip clean candles to the downside. Maybe I'll use this minor support. Oh, we can. 20 pips. 20 pip there. We've got clean candles coming down. 27 pips. Waiting for giveaway. You said that now how many times? 1, 2. I think that might be it. 3, 4, 5. 5 times waiting for giveaway. When you've got all this amazing, valuable information on the sim session, learning how to trade. What's my best pair? Yeah, gold. XAU USD. I used to do GPP JPY as well, but the volume's not quite the same as it used to be. Speed this up a little bit. I'll wait for our closure. A giveaway is at the end of the stream for the guy that kept asking. No closure outside our range yet. No trade. You're very welcome, Smith. No, you're very welcome. Thanks for information. Thanks for information. You're welcome. Oh, how do you handle emotions when you see a trade setup that doesn't match your backtest conditions? Don't take the setup. Don't take the trade. If that's not your setup, don't take the trade. There's nothing else to it. Just don't take it. I only will ever trade my setups. That's it. Full stop. Ooh, nice little reverse MC play going on here. Nice little reverse MC play going on here. Taking out previous lows, now breaking up previous highs. Have we got the volume to now continue up at support, to continue up pushing on bullish? To break a previous wick, potentially. How long we got left in the candle? Oh, only 4 minutes. I'm gonna leave it. Thing is, when it happens in the last couple of seconds, guys, it's tough, but that was a nice move. Likes the buys there. Really like them, but happened in the last few minutes, so can't do anything about it. How many years of profitability? About 2.5, 3 years? Yeah, 2.5. It's not a bad setup, but we haven't got the clean candles to the left, really. 12 pips. Close back in the range, weak bearish candle. Let's have a look. Really dislike the amount of volume that we have, which is such a shame. We want the continuation buys on the 4 hour. Got 20 pips to the wick fill. Not the biggest fan of the previous half an hour bottom wick, this bottom wick. Just going to leave this one for now and wait for the closure outside our range. The structure is nice to continue up and bullish, which it obviously is now, but just the range is just not there. Entry number 1 down at the bottom here. Entry number 2 here. Would have been nice, but this range is just really rubbish. Need to get out of it. No, maybe another entry number 3. We broke the previous high, but again, haven't got the range. 2023 volume is poop. What's the average stop loss size in my gold trade? 20 pips? 25 pips? That's now in 2025. Have you tested different money management strategies? Fixed percentage, fixed martingale, etc. How does your risk reward ratio change on your different market conditions? I have tested loads of money managed strategies. Yeah, 100%. I've been doing this for 5 years now. I've done everything. Fixed percentages, fixed lot sizes, percentages based off stop losses, fixed lot sizes, dynamic risk, fixed risk, like everything. Yeah. But I'll keep to now is risking no more than 2% a trade. I'll stick around 100k account. I'll stick around the 5 lot size mark. When would the giveaway start? 5 minutes. Did I learn some from Raja? Yeah, I did learn some things from Raja. When is the giveaway starting? Wow, there's definitely some of these. There's definitely some different accounts in here that are the same people. It's definitely saying exactly the same thing. How do you decide when to rely solely on price action versus using indicators? I use indicators that are factual, right? Like volume and Asian lows and Asian highs. I don't use indicators that are going to tell me when to buy and sell. I think that's a load of crap. I don't use that sort of stuff. I go solely based off price action. How do you manage spread as a scalper? Just, 1 to 2 pip spreads, okay? 2.5%, 2.5 pips spreads, not too bad. Anything over 2.5 pip spread, I would avoid as a scalper. It's just not good. I mean, I don't scalp off the 1 minute time frame, right? It's the 15 minutes, so it's not that big of a deal, but price action work on scalping, absolutely. Off the 15-minute time frame, absolutely. Using Ryan, your strategy helps a lot. Good. I'm glad it can help some people. Still waiting outside its range. Now we have formed this new resistance here. Yeah, nice. We formed. So, guys, when you've made your range, this is an 80 pip range. Within ranges, if there's clean candles like we have here to the left hand side, you can form new ranges. Ranges within ranges. Right now we have formed a new resistance at this area here. So now we have a smaller range. We've got clean candles to the left, about 28 pips. And now if we get a closure above this area, new resistance, we've got 38 pips. What's the best thing about funding Frontier, in my opinion? Reliability. They're reliable. Very good. Very reliable. They offer Seed Trader. They still do. They might take that down, but they offer MT5 for sure. And different platforms to trade on. Having a variety of different platforms to trade on is really nice. The wealth way that they use for MT5, good spreads, good broker. And they're reliable, trustworthy. That's all you need. As long as you know you're going to get your payout at the end of the day, that's all you need. I'm not going to finish the week. I don't think. We've taken 4 trades. Ooh. They're going to break previous high. How long we got? No, not quite. Damn. So I would have liked this trade, guys. So we've got a closure above after taking out the previous low, and then we've got the closure above. Let's check out the high time frames. Really nice. But we've just broke the previous wick already. Straight away with no bottom wick. We've got no bottom wick. So there's no entry there for me. If it goes, it goes. So normally when you start with no bottom wick, if we can now break the previous high, I'll be interested in the buys. Oh, haha, missed it. Is there an opportunity to re-get in? Going too fast. Two minutes left on the candle. Gonna have to stop the stream there, guys, anyway, I think, and announce the winners, but it would be handy if I had the volume on here. But yeah, this is a nice trade. Closure above after MC play. Weak bearish candle. And then the next candle broke the previous lows and broke the previous highs. Only got 5 pips in the end, but if we fast forward, bingo, lovely trade. And then bang, we secured at the break of previous wick 12 pips, so we would have got a nice 10 pips, scored 90%, stuff like that break even. Yeah, 4 trades taken on here anyway. 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss. Yeah, not the biggest week, but is what it is. And we haven't done the Friday, but giveaway time, guys. Do I always wait for break and close? Essentially, yes. But you know, you might come up to a resistance or support, and you might form a weak bullish candle, weak bearish candle, or a nice MC play where you take out previous lows and previous highs. You can have setups around them areas, but essentially, yes. How does your strategy change once you pass the evaluation and trade a real funded account? And are you more conservative with risk after getting funded? Yeah, I mean, if you pass in a 100k account, and then you're funded, I don't see the point in risking 1% per trade. I'd half it, because then you've got way more time. Keep your funded accounts under your belt, lower the risk, and then go from there. Because if you're risking 1% per trade and you lose 10 in a row, you've lost your funded account. I know it's unlikely you'll lose 10 in a row, but people do it. But if you half your lot size, and you risk 0.5% per trade, then you can lose 20 in a row. I'm gonna do a giveaway now, guys. Don't go anywhere yet. Do not go anywhere yet. I'm gonna decide. Who wins? I've got one. Don't go anywhere, guys. Giveaway time is nigh. Okay, giveaway number 1 is going to go to, drum roll please, Japetha. Very well deserved giveaway number 1. Very active in the chat, always asking really good questions. You're definitely here for the education and the right reasons. So Japetha, well done to you. If you can just send your email to, oh wait, I don't know if you might have budged up, but make sure you DM Funding Frontier with your email and your name, please. Then you give away of one of the accounts. But I'm sure most of you have signed up for the newsletter down below. Make sure you do that quickly now. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Japetha as well, I've just announced your winner. You need to make sure that you've signed up for the newsletter in the description down below on the link. So I can make sure you've done that. I know Japetha already had done that, so make sure you sign up for that. Otherwise you won't be able to claim the giveaway. I'm going to give you a couple minutes, guys, to just do that. Make sure you like the stream. Make sure you're subscribed as well. If you haven't liked the stream and you haven't subscribed, you won't be entered into the giveaway. Okay, giveaway number 2 is going to go to Smith. Smith, you are the giveaway account number 2 winner. So well done to you. Make sure you send the email that you signed up with to the link in the description below. DM Funding Frontier, the email that you used to sign up, and your name. And giveaway number 3. It's coming right up. Just need to scroll. Because we just hit 6 o'clock. Okay, giveaway number 3 is going to go to Adnan. Well done to you, man. Well done to you 3. Well done to you 3 for the giveaways. 5k accounts coming your way. Make sure you use the email that you signed up for and the link down below. Send that to Funding Frontier and your name. Congratulations. Yeah, in terms of the sim session, 4 trades taken, 3 wins, 1 loss. Ended up like only 1.5% or so, but the volume is so low in 2023. Remind me not to do 2023 again. But we had to be extra cautious because of the volume. You can get your setups to play out before it reverses, and then you've only caught 10 pips rather than 30, you know. You're very welcome, guys. You're very welcome. I hope you all have a good evening. And I'll see you on the next one. See you on Friday. Tune in to Fridays. Make sure you're there. Friday, 11:30 GMT, live gold trading. Make sure you're there, guys. I want to see every single one of these names on that stream too. Get so much good value, free education, and I'll be live trading as well. You can take them trades with me if you wish. You're very welcome, guys. Make sure you follow Funding Frontier on Instagram as well, and myself at Ryan Cruz Effects. Peace.